Anytime you're installing a ceramic tile floor, any type of new flooring, there's a certain amount of preparation that you have to do to the existing subfloor. Now here on this concrete slab, we removed the old vinyl floor, scraped off all of the glue, a little bit of floor patch here and there. Now we're looking at a little preparation on the existing trim work.
In this case, Danny, where we're installing the ceramic tile floor up against the door casing, a lot of homeowners make the mistake of thinking they need to trim the tile to fit the door casing. In actuality, you do just the opposite, and here's how. First, slip a few sheets of newspaper down in front of the casing, and then put a tile upside down so you don't scratch the surface. And you can use a handsaw to trim the casing to length. Hold the fingers flat on top of the saw so it cuts nice and straight. Slip out that little piece, and the tile will slide right underneath.
Now this is a concrete slab. If you were working with a wood subfloor, you would need to first put down cement backer board and then install the tile over it. In that case, use a piece of the backer board as the spacer instead of the newspaper. Either way, you get a good finished appearance. Then you're able to take your baseboard and sit it right down on top of your new ceramic tile floor.